Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sell on WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will be needing to have your WooCommerce plugin. So you can simply go to WooCommerce and then it will take you to the website. You will need to be on the website. Then you will need just to click simply on get started. You will click on start a new online and from there you will need to choose your hosting partner. In our case, we are also going to use WordPress, and basically you click on WordPress, you just click on uh, get started with commerce, and then you will be just adding a new start for myself. You just fill in the information that suits you or that describes you, and then you click on start the commercial trial, etc. And as you can see, it will give you a very much amount of features. And basically, now you will be needing to have your store. And to have your store, you can simply go to appearance and themes, and basically you can search for WooCommerce uh, themes that would style and create your uh, commerce store. And basically you choose anyone, install or anything, and after that you will activate it and you will have your store. Now you will be needing to add your products. You will need to go to the products and you add your products by clicking on add new products, and that's it. Now all you need is to market your store, and basically you will be waiting for the orders to come in, and when the orders come in you will find them here in the orders in the WooCommerce menu, and from there you can start processing your orders by clicking on your orders, and you can start adding its information, adding tracking info, etc, etc. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.